What is up everybody, welcome back to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the background of an image in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Okay, so you obviously need Photoshop. I got Photoshop CC, but you can use pretty much any Photoshop version, it doesn't really matter. So first I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove this background. It's a one color background, it's simple, it's white, it's very easy to do. This one's going to be a bit harder. We're going to just get the bananas out of there and delete the background. Okay, so to remove the white background, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the eraser, click on that, right click on it, sorry, and then go down to Magic Eraser Tool. Just click on that. And then what you want to do is just, you might actually have to adjust the tolerance, which is up here in the top right. The tolerance is how the eraser tool reacts to color, pretty much. So mine's at 30, which is, you can pretty much have it at any tolerance for white background images. And then you just want to click in on the white on the background and it's going to turn into transparent. And you can just go ahead and get all these little spots if you want to, but you don't have to, but it's up to you and your image really. Okay, so that's how easy it is to make the background transparent on a simple color image, I guess. I think that's what I should call it. Okay, so next what we want to do is we want to select these bananas for this image. So we're going to go to the quick selection tool. I'm just going to try select the bananas with this. Like as you can see here, we've missed a tiny bit. We can fix that up later. It's really easy to do that. But it's easier now just to select these. See, sometimes it's not very accurate like this, but we can fix that. Don't you worry. Okay, so after you've selected your atom, what you want to do is go to select and you're going to inverse it, or you can click Shift Control L, click inverse, and now the background of the image is the only thing selected. So the bananas are not selected. All the whole background is. Something I forgot to mention as well is you need to unlock the image. This one was automatically not locked, so this one is. So you just need to click on the lock and it will unlock. Sometimes it will ask you for permission if you've done anything to the image already. Just click yes, allow, or whatever. Alright, so now it's inversed. All you have to do is click delete and kaboom kabang, it has been deleted. So to erase everything, make sure you right click and press deselect first, otherwise it's not going to erase anything at all. And then you just want to go around the sides and stuff with your eraser tool and get all the imperfections. Fix it up, touch it up nicely. I'm just doing this quickly, but you can do it nicer than I'm doing it. That's not too bad. So we can go fit on screen, make sure we got everything. This is how I check. I don't know if there's another way to check. You can find another way if you want. And then just put that at 5. And then as you can see, I left some stuff that I couldn't see, so just gonna go ahead and delete that. And voila, walla walla bing bang. It is done. Okay, so now when you go ahead and save the image, you got to make sure you save it as a PNG, not a JPEG. Always a PNG if you want transparent backgrounds. Transparency. Yep. And now, if you minimize Photoshop, you have transparent bananas, or whatever you wanted. You can't really see it, but you can see it there. So yeah, that is it for this video. If it did help you, please hit that like button. If you have any troubles, please leave a comment below. I'll be glad to help out. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. That is it from me. Have a wonderful day and peace out.